Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed, please support me by subscribing. Let's solve this math. 12 divided by 1 over 2 times 4. This 2, we cancel this. 2 here, 1, 2 here is what? 2. So 12 divided by this 2, which is equals to what? 6. But this answer is not correct. According to order of operation, we have to first of all do bracket, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. It's from left to right. So let's solve this correctly. I will have to rewrite this question again. Now, in the order of operation, you know that division comes before multiplication. So we are going to solve this division first. When you are solving a problem that has division like this and a fraction, what you need to do is this divide will flip and change to times, while this 2 will go up and this 1 will come down. Something like this. 12 times, here will be times, now a 2 over 1 times 4. Now 12 times 2 will give us 24 times 4, which is equals to what? 96. So our final answer is 96.